Let's continue with B1 lesson 34. We're going to be looking at adjectives plus prepositions. They are also called the dependent prepositions. If you remember very well, we have seen in the last lesson that we can take a certain verb followed by a specific preposition. Now at this time we are not looking about verb plus preposition. This time we are looking at adjective plus prepositions. What are adjective dependent prepositions? This implies that some adjectives are followed by a fixed preposition. When we have that certain adjective, it is followed by a specific preposition, which is a fixed preposition, which means that it cannot be changed. The preposition is not optional and does not change. Wherever you go, I don't know the country you might go to, but always this adjective goes with this preposition, no matter what. Let's see example. We have afraid of, interested in, good at. The adjective decides the preposition. The adjective that we have is the one to decide which preposition should be followed. Why are they important? I mean the adjective dependent prepositions. Why are they important? They are very common in everyday English, like frequent in exams and formal writings. Using them, using the wrong preposition might sound unnatural and might even indicate failure to understand what you are trying to say. She is proud of her work. I am interested in learning English. Wherever you use proud is followed by of. Interested is followed by in, always. Let's see adjectives followed by preposition of. The common adjectives followed by preposition of, we have afraid, proud, tired, aware. Hence saying that afraid of, proud of, tired of, aware of. He is afraid of dogs. She is proud of her success. Adjective plus in. Let's see the common adjective followed by preposition in. Interested, successful, involved. Whenever you have these adjectives, interested, successful, involved, and many others, they are followed by preposition in. Interested in, successful in, involved in. I'm interested in technology. She is successful in business. The adjectives followed by preposition at or preposition about. Let's see the common adjectives followed by those prepositions. We have good, bad, worried, excited. Good at, bad at, worried about, excited about. He is good at math. She is worried about the exam. When I say good, it should be followed by at. When I say worried, it should be followed by preposition about. He is good at math. She is worried about the exam. Let's see adjectives followed by preposition for or preposition with. Let's see the common adjectives that can be followed by preposition for or with. We have famous, responsible, angry, satisfied. Famous for, responsible for, angry with. Remember, this is not agree. Agree is a verb, then you have angry. When you're not happy, when you are sad, you feel bad. Someone does something bad to you and then you feel like you want to beat them. You are angry. Satisfied. So we say famous for, responsible for, angry with, satisfied with. Rwanda is famous for tourism. I'm satisfied with the results. Let's fill in the blanks here. Complete the sentence with the correct preposition based on the adjective that you have here. She is afraid dash dash making mistakes. I'm interested dash dash learning new skills. He is good dash dash football. They were proud dash dash their achievements. She is worried dash dash her exam. Let's fill in the blanks here. We're going to choose the correct preposition to follow the given adjective. He is responsible dash dash the project. I'm tired dash dash waiting. She is famous dash dash her voice. They are angry dash dash the manager. We are excited dash dash the trip. Let's fill in the blanks here. She is satisfied dash dash the service. He is bad dash dash cooking. They are involved dash dash the program. I'm aware dash dash the problem. She is successful dash dash her career. Add the correct preposition. He is proud dash dash his children. I'm interested dash dash at. She is nervous dash dash the interview. They are famous dash dash their skills. We are happy dash dash the results. Choose the correct preposition. She is afraid dash dash the dark. I'm good dash dash English. He is responsible dash dash the decision. They are interested dash dash science. We are proud dash dash our team. Thank you. Let's meet in the next lesson.